So this is Nipponia Sasayama Castle Town Hotel. We're going to go in. There's actually two rooms. One is on the left side, the other is on the right side, but you can connect them. So we're going to go in and take a look at this first one. Anyways, this building is called Nozi, and you can rent them as two different rooms or individual rooms, but we're going to go in the first one, room 302. So while we walk to the room, let me explain the concept behind Nipponia Hotels. It's a new hotel chain brand, I guess, for lack of a better word. But it's a luxury brand that is focused on providing a authentic, historic Japanese experience. So what they've done here is, this is a city called Sasayama in Hyogo Prefecture, which was formerly a castle town. And so there's castle ruin remains nearby. And there's these old houses from the Edo and Meiji periods. And what they do is they restore them and then add the modern amenities to them that luxury travelers demand nowadays. So this is the room from the outside. And now the adjacent room, they have a separate entrance, but you can also connect them. So we're going to take a look at the first room first. So let's see how I can open this. Yep, slide it open. You come in this way. Hello. これが俺の部屋の方ね。Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's go this way. So they have nice little traditional touches. This is kind of how they were before, minus the tiles, I guess. So here's the main living room. And then there's a bedroom down over there. But I'm actually kind of giving this tour for myself as well. So here is this is a really old style cedar bath. It's not usable now, but it's there for because that's where it was. But the sink, the wash basin does work. This is the actual bath and shower that guests now use today. And then let's go this way. Let me put on my shoes. And back into the living room and bedroom for a better view. So this is the bedroom. It's a Western style bed. They have a yukata, they have blankets. And they have pretty much everything you need in a room. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at the other room. I don't know what you call them. There's just two rooms in this Nozi, this building called Noji. It's actually Noji, but it's spelled Nozi for some unknown reason in Romanized script. But in Japanese, it's pronounced Noji. There's also, it looks like there's a secondary wash basin. And this is the actual... Oh, this is a storage closet. All right, never mind. All right. So let's go and take... Oh, wait. So this is the toilet now. Again, with all, it's a modern one with the Toto washlet and everything. That's in almost every Japanese home and hotel nowadays. All right, let's take a look at the next one. I'm going to go in from, again, the inner courtyard and not the main entrance of this room. So I'm going to take a look here. It's probably not in the right order. Similar bathroom to the other room. All right, don't know what's where. Aha. So this is the sink and shower and tub. Oh, you can see the bedroom from here. So go over there and take a look. So it looks like this is similar in design and layout. I'm sure what they did is they took one building and then they converted it into two separate rentable rooms. So this is a living area. And here is the bedroom. Anyway, so the concept is, so they actually have several locations throughout Japan. It's a new brand, only about 4 years old, and they have big plans. And the whole idea is have some unique experiences in unique locations that provide an authentic traditional Japanese experience. I guess I use that word a lot. And so this is the property in Sasayama, Castle Town. And they have other properties. There's Fukusumi, or Post Town. They have one in Atami. Actually, I'm not sure if it's in Atami. But anyways, it's in rural Japan or historic locations. It's, they don't do city hotels or anything like that. So it's really, really nice if that's what you're looking for. And so it has all the comfort and amenities. And actually, it's, at least not right now, it's not priced in a crazy expensive manner either. Nipponia Sasayama Castle Town Hotel in Tamba Sasayama, Hyogo Prefecture, Japan.